So, you clicked an ad online you regret, right? Now you're wondering, was that a scam? Well, the answer actually uncovers a pretty big secret about your social feed. It's why one bad ad brings them all. And this whole thing can start with something super simple, like a confusing name. For instance, RA Labs. See, on one hand, it's a totally legit social enterprise. On the other, a company buried in complaints. And those complaints all point to one place, Ruby Labs. They're known for those tricky $1 trials. But here's the thing, it isn't just about one shady company. The real problem is the system behind it. It's what we call an algorithmic feedback loop. Your click basically just taught an AI exactly how to trick you. Because to that AI, you weren't scammed. Nope, you were a conversion. A total success story. And that one little success is all it takes to pull you right into a 3-step algorithmic trap. So, step 1, you get tagged. The system now sees you as a hot lead for these kinds of offers. Then the algorithm starts selling access to your profile, filling your feed with even more of these ads. And finally, your data is used to find new victims, people who look and act just like you online. It's basically a digital mark on your door. The AI saw you answer once and now sends everyone similar. Okay, so how do you actually erase that mark? How do you break this whole cycle for good? There are 2 really critical things you need to do. It's all about stopping the money and starving the algorithm. First up, stop the money. Call your bank, tell them to block the company, and dispute every single charge. Next, you gotta break that algorithm, report the ad itself, then leave detailed reviews on consumer complaint sites. Which leaves you with one last thought. If this whole system is built to find the perfect target, who's aiming? Let's talk about those ads you see online. Ever wonder what's really going on behind them? Okay, so a great question came up. Is our labs a scam? Let's dig in. Well, it's a bit tricky because, as it turns out, our labs isn't just one single company. On one side, you have some totally legit, award-winning companies. On the other, something else entirely. The sketchy ads we're talking about, they come from a company called R Labs America, Inc., also known as Ruby Labs. They're pretty well known for these $1 trial offers and, well, a ton of complaints about billing. And these aren't just random comments. We're talking actual consumer complaints. So how does their trap work? It's a classic subscription model. Super easy to get in, but folks say it's nearly impossible to get out. But here's the kicker. This isn't just about your credit card. It's about how AI gets trained. You see, these ads create this powerful feedback loop. They literally fund and feed the platform's AI. First, they fund it. Money from these ads helps pay for the very AI systems that run the whole platform. And then they feed it. Every single click and scroll you make helps the AI build a profile of you. So what in the world can you do about all this? Well, the good news is you're not powerless. These steps starve the advertiser of cash and, just as importantly, send negative signals back to the AI. So remember, it's way more than just an annoying ad. It's a key part of a much bigger machine.